Hey guys, how you doing? VT Maestro here. Hope all is well. Well, I'm coming at you today with a new DIY video. I am going to replace our outside lighting with new lighting, sconce lighting. So I picked these up on Lowe's. Did it online. These are not available in the stores. So this is the Portfolio Lighting 9.02 inch sconce lighting. They have LEDs on the top and on the bottom. And I'm pretty excited to install these because I want to go for the sconce look on our house. When you do take the lights out of the packaging, the LED bulbs inside, or the lamps, are actually wrapped up. So you have to take this section apart, unwrap them, and then install the bulbs into the socket. Here's the LED lamp. You can see it's GU10. It just goes inside the socket here. So there's one on each side, one over here too. I have 6 to install. Not exactly sure what they're going to look like, but I've seen a few pictures. Not a lot of reviews on these lights and not a lot of pictures, so hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Alright guys, so these are the traditional lights I have on the house right now. Here's another look at the garage and the current lights. Let's take a look at the back here. These lights do throw a lot of light. They do light up the yard quite nicely. Here's one more look of the lights in the front of the house. Just a note here, this is not going to be a DIY how to switch and wire lights. I'm just going to switch them out and get the job done here so you can see the results. All right, there we go, installed. Here's one installed, and here's what we have for the traditional lantern lamp. Already liking it. This is exactly what I'm looking for here. That effect, love it. Modern, it's gonna look great at night. Here are the new lights installed in front of the house. Very, very pleased with this. From the other side. Here's the garage. In the back of the house. Alright guys, gonna finish up the video here. Hope you enjoyed this DIY install of the Lowe's Portfolio 9-inch sconce lights. Came out really well, very pleased. You know what to do. Like, leave a comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.